super cool game I didn't make. It's gonna be so much fun if you watch the video when it comes out. You see, I don't have a microphone yet. I only have my actual PC sound thing. So I'm sorry if I broke your ears by now. So yeah, it's not my problem. Yeah, it's not my problem. I'm sorry. I'm going to break your ears. To break your ears when I upload this vid. Oh my god, it's wet floor. Flood Escape X. Because not as good as what's a really cool game? Race Rage. Yeah, it's like definitely perfect. All these fanarts suck because none of these were like made in like Microsoft Paint, and Microsoft Paint was like the best program ever. You see, this is Paint.net. All of these guys use GIMP, Photoshop, or Paint.net. It's not fun. Okay. So see you on breaks, guys. Yeah.